bracelets are loud. Ciao. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. It's your girl Janelle Ashley. So in this video, I am not sure what I'm gonna be doing, honestly. I'm probably just gonna do my makeup and talk about my week, I guess. Of course, I have my bag and I don't have all my tools. Why, I don't know. But um, since we're not gonna make that stop us, I'm just gonna have to figure it out. So this is kind of like my struggle makeup video, like a little something. I wanna break out of this doubtful Daisy habit that I have going on. I've been doubting myself and I need to get over it. Like I need to snap out of it and get in my bag. Like for real. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to fill in my brows with this brow pencil from LA Girl. I've had it so long that like all the writings, see, all the writing is gone. I don't know what's happening. I haven't primed or anything, but I did moisturize. I moisturized with my Tatcha moisturizer. I didn't put on any serums or anything just because my skin was really sensitive this week. But I made a commitment to myself this week that I was gonna do absolutely nothing. And by nothing, I meant nothing. I got up on Monday. I don't even know what today is. I got up on Monday. The only thing I did commit to was getting up early. Got up on Monday. Just like, you know what? I'm not exhausting myself and I'm not gonna overexert myself for anybody or anything that wasn't adding to my life, that was causing excessive stress or anything. So I went to the gym and then I just went to bed. Again, nothing. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Like I said, I don't have any tools and this is a struggle beat. So we're just gonna have to make do with what we have. And I have nothing. I have no tools, maybe one brush, but I have a lot of well, not a lot. I have a small kit. I have products, so we're gonna use them. So yeah. Oh, cleaning up my brows. Maybe I do need a tool for this. Thank God I'm the only person who's using this because this is just trifling. And I know that it is. I accomplished a lot this week after not doing nothing. One thing I did not get around to doing was going to the chiropractor. And as you can tell, my good old back is just going through it. But it's neither here nor there for me. That was just me pretending like I have the necessary tools to blend out this eyebrow situation. But nevertheless, we're gonna make it work. This is very ghetto. I almost didn't record just now because I could not get my cameras to connect, and it was just stressing me out. Like for real. Like why would you do that? Back to my rant. After committing to not doing anything, I feel like I've actually accomplished that. Oh damn. I have no primer. and I'm not gonna stress it. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is use my Mac, my Mac, use my Mac Studio Fix as a way to fix this mess that we're in. Pretty much, I'm just like really, well, let me not say I'm down. I felt a little overwhelmed today. Well, not today, but lately. And I told myself that if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it right. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done my makeup like this ever. And now that I don't have a primer, we just gotta make some shake, right? But back to, ooh, that made a difference. Back to my complaining. I'm gonna be going in with my NARS foundation in the shade Bellum. I honestly don't know if this is the shade for me, but we're just gonna go ahead, right? Because it's not like I have anything in this bag. Let me stop. No, I'm applying this foundation with what appears to be the brush that I use for applying my blush. Why I'm doing that? That's what I got. The other day I was feeling so down. My hair wasn't done right. Well, let me not say my hair wasn't done right. My hair was done good. But I don't know what happened. It just was not looking how I wanted it to look. I didn't feel good. Like, am I the only person who feels like if my hair is not done, the world is just gonna crumble and I'm gonna crumble with it? Because if so, maybe I should talk to somebody. If not, tell me what to do to deal with this life that I'm living. Like, it's so ghetto. So ghetto. So as you can see, I'm pretty much just blending out my foundation into my skin that was not primed but was covered in powder. Oh man, I'm just trying it. I think what my issue is that I'm looking for instant gratification for everything. Like, I want to see results. I want to see things turn around. But, sweetheart, Rome was not built in a day. And I'm saying it, but that's what I need to remind myself. Like, calm down, Jamal.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Jesus. It'll turn around. It'll turn around. It'll turn around. My foundation is on, and we are looking like something. Okay, NARS. Got me looking radiant. So for my under eye, because I barely have anything, I'm just gonna put some concealer on. I feel like this is how I was doing makeup like 3 years ago. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing up closer to my face just so that I can blend it out, because I don't want to be on camera looking crazy. I already do. Yeah, we need to fix that. If this thing works out, just know I'm a bomb artist. And if you think otherwise, fight me. I'm doing a whole full face with one brush and my fingers. Okay, we cute. We are cute. Talk about blended. Listen, when I say I'm a bomb makeup artist, I want you to believe me. Like, I can't make this up. One brush and my fingers, and I'm already looking stunning. Like, what? Be for real. Y'all should really come to my makeup class. Or just buy my makeup classes when I drop them. Because they are coming. So, I'm gonna be setting my face now with my banana powder. And because I'm using that one brush, I'm just pretty much gonna like lightly dab and then go back to my rant. So let me know in the comment section, like, if you get where I'm coming from as far as like me saying that I'm being doubtful, or if you could just relate, you know what I mean? Like, is it normal to feel like this? Why, as young women, why do we always like exhaust ourselves so much? Like, it is exhausting just being me, like just enjoying a soft life. But girl, nothing soft about that. Like, I've done nothing to just relax. Like, I'm telling you, this week I went to the gym. I did not go to work. Thank God. Did not go to work. I did not go out. All I did was get my body wax, and that was it. And it felt so good. Like, where did we come from with this whole struggle, love? Like, love yourself and struggle? Force yourself to struggle? Why? For what? For why? Who is it benefiting? Because as far as I see it, all I've been doing is exhausting myself. And then when I'm stressed out, I just go into this like deep dive of despair, distress, and it's not worth it. Like, note to self, relax, damn it. Chill out. My makeup is looking real good. Why you ain't tell me? You being a hater? Why you ain't tell me? I feel like for the most part, my biggest thing right now is shit. Well, it's getting contoured for sure. But, ooh, girl, don't do too much. My biggest thing right now is just like relaxing. So I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Y'all already know. But back to my rant. When, how, where do, like, this is where I stop, right? I need to let it go and get a damn fan. I need a fan, and I'm gonna get it. Probably gonna get one from Amazon or something. But like, making a commitment. Stop with the struggle, love, girl. Like, stop it. It not cute. It look good, it not sound good, it not smell good. And girl, if it look good, girl, if it smell good, girl, if it feel good all the while. Girl can't go. Girl can't look good, so don't. I'm going in with my Rivera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm pretty much just like going in with that white shadow and kind of like spreading it across. And then I'm gonna go in with the brown all the way at the end and kind of like put in like a crease color almost. For me and for you watching, stop kill up with self. Like, it's gonna get to where it's gonna get to. And I feel like I needed to hear that. Maybe not from me. So somebody in the comments, just put it in the comments so I can remember to stop kill up myself. Cause, ooh, that don't look too bad. I it's like a brown something. You're young and you're nice. Don't make nobody kill you. And you not kill yourself. You guys, let me know how you think this came out. If it's one thing about me, I'm gonna wear some blush. I just had that my nose area baking because I brush it out. This could possibly be looking a mess, but we're cute. We're cute, we're cute, we're cute. I'm gonna go in with this brown lipstick that I got, well, burgundyish brown. It's from Origins. Very smooth application, I will say. Would it really be me if I did a solid color lip? I don't think so. So this is my Morphe lip gloss, Venus and Serena. Back again with Fenty. That is it for my one brush application. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave in the comments section, like, tell me if you can relate, tell me if I'm just going crazy, and tell me not to apply my makeup with one brush again, because that is crazy. Like, why would you do that? I'm playing, but it don't look so bad. We doing all right. Is the final look. Tell me if you like it. I hope to see you guys next time. Make sure you hit that notification bell, that subscription button, like and share my video, and leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed.